Digivation Network.
The Digital Cooperation Organization, DCO, the international organization to promote digital prosperity for all, has successfully concluded its second General Assembly in Rio with a ministerial declaration calling for open collaboration among nations to bridge the digital divide. The DCO ministerial call for action, which was issued on behalf of all 30 member states, recognized the crucial role that the digital economy plays in shaping a more equitable and thriving future, calling for increased international dialogue to identify and promote successful approaches and impactful initiatives that will empower nations to create sustainable, inclusive and equitable growth for the digital economy. H.E. Ms. Dema El-Yahar, Secretary General of DCO, says there is an urgent need to modernize and harmonize digital policies and regulations, support micro, small and medium enterprises, take advantage of cross-border nature of the digital economy and reduce barriers to access new markets, grow and create new opportunities.
We are gathered here today in the first physical General Assembly for the Digital Cooperation Organization to elevate our efforts towards achieving more prosperity, economic opportunities, and value for our nations. I will take this opportunity to reiterate our appreciation to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for hosting the headquarters of the DCO, the first multilateral global organization focused on digital prosperity.
The DCO calls for international cooperation to coordinate efforts and develop sustainable solutions that are tailored to address 4 major concerns such as policies and regulations, micro, small and medium enterprises, digitization, digital skills and education, and digital transformation. Share and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/Digivation Network.
This is Digivation Network.